Hello friends, welcome to Tiny Tales, where little stories bring big smiles. Get comfy, snuggle in and open your imagination, because today's story is about to begin. Today's tiny tale is Dilo the Green Dragon Who Sneezed Fireworks. Once upon a time, in a soft green forest filled with tall trees and singing birds, lived a small green dragon named Dilo. Dilo was kind, Dilo was gentle, but most of all, Dilo was very shy. While other dragons practiced loud roars and fiery flames, Dilo liked quiet things, watching butterflies, counting clouds and nibbling berry muffins. One sunny morning, Dilo felt sniffle, a tiny tickle in his nose.
Oh no! I think I'm going to... achoo!
Instead of a burst of fire. Pop! Fizz! Sparkle! A spray of sparkly fireworks burst into the sky. Red stars, blue swirls, golden glitter. Rainbow sparks danced in the air like magic. Dilo's eyes grew wide.
My sneeze?
Before he could hide, the forest animals came running. "What was that?" asked Benny the bunny, hopping excitedly. "Is it a festival?" chirped Lulu the bird. "I love fireworks!" cheered Milo the monkey, clapping his hands. Suddenly, music began to play. Squirrels danced, deer twirled, frogs bounced on lily pads. The whole forest thought it was a celebration. Dilo's cheeks turned pink.
Oh no! I didn't mean to do that.
Then, sniffle, sniffle.
Oh dear! Again! Achoo!
Pow! Crackle! Whoosh! Even bigger fireworks filled the sky. They sparkled like stars and shimmered like rainbows. The animals cheered even louder. "Encore!" shouted the bear. "Best festival ever!" laughed the fox. Dilo peeked out slowly.
They like it?
A little hedgehog waddled over and smiled. "Thank you, Dilo. You made today magical." Dilo's heart felt warm and fluttery. For the first time, Dilo didn't feel embarrassed. He felt happy. Later that evening, as the fireworks faded and the forest grew quiet, Dilo sat on a hill watching the stars. Dilo said softly,
I guess being different isn't so bad.
The moon twinkled, the stars shimmered, and Dilo smiled. Because sometimes the things that make you different are the most magical of all. So kids, the lesson for you all is, it's okay to be different. Sometimes it's magical. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our tiny tale, please like and subscribe, so you never miss another story full of magic, kindness, and fun. See you next time, friends.